Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Intan from Global Lesson Relief Indonesia. Today I will tell you a story about a village called Chot Makasso, Pidijaya. This village located only less than 2 kilometers from the main road, but it looks like they are living in the past. 15 years ago, when we had our political conflict for more than 30 years, Chot Makasso village is one of the bases of the war. Even until now, 15 years later after the political conflict ended, the people in this village are still living under poverty. Inshallah, tomorrow, with the support from our partner Islamic Help from UK, we already prepare 100 food aid package to be distributed for the 100 poor families in that village. For the first time after 15 years, 100 poor family in that village will get this food item to support them and enable them to feed their family during Ramadan. Each food package contains 15 kilograms of rice, 2 kilograms of flour, 2 liters of cooking oil, 2 kilograms sugar, 2 pack of margarine, 1 can milk, 1 set of eggs contains 30 eggs, 1 box of kurma, and the biscuit for their family. We would like to express our great gratitude to all of you to make this happen. You have no idea how this meant the world for them. Keep in touch. Inshallah, tomorrow I will update you with the real situation in the field. See you tomorrow.
Mata pencarian orang kami yang ada di kampung Chot Makasso ini cukup susah dan cukup sulit. Maka menyangkut dengan apalagi dengan corona ini agak susah. Ada kerjaan yang di luar, semisalnya mau pergi naik mobil kadang-kadang agak kekeliruan, merasa takut dari efeknya COVID-19, pengaruhnya dengan corona. Dan pencarian khusus orang-orang kami di sini, kami bertepatan dengan tepi gunung. Berdepatan dan tepi gunung, pencarian kami semata wayang adalah khususnya petani. Pencarian kami adalah petani dan juga di kebun ataupun di ladang. Kadang-kadang kami kami petik, kami bawa jual sampai sekarang, sampai ke sana di luar enggak ada yang beli.
Alhamdulillah. Dengan kami aman bila Allah menyonan beri kat terima yang kami yang hanap mana kemudahan bila Allah anu pihana kata kota hodi ya kan dirawat di rumah.